Private and confidential. Lahore, 30th October 1937. My dear Mr. Jinnah, I suppose you have already read the resolution passed by the AICC. Your move in time has saved the situation, and we are all waiting for your observations on the Congress resolution. The Tribune of Lahore has already criticized it, and I believe Hindu opinion will generally be opposed to it. However, it should not act as an opiate as far as Muslims are concerned. We must carry the work of organization more vigorously than ever, and should not rest till Muslim governments are established in the 5 provinces and reforms are granted to Balochistan. The rumor is that part of the Unionist Party does not mean to sign the long accord. So far, Sir Sikandar and his party have not signed it, and I heard this morning that they would not wait till the next sessions of the League. The idea, as one of themselves told me, is to shaken the activities of the Provincial League. However, I shall place you in possession all the facts in a few days' time and then ask your opinion as to how we should proceed. I do hope that before the Lahore session you would be able to tour in the Punjab for at least 2 weeks. With best wishes, yours sincerely, Muhammad Iqbal, Bar at Law.